I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution of question number 13d, page 106, Nelson, vectors and calculus. The question is, determine derivative in Leibniz notation at a given point. Y equals to u cube minus 5 times u cube minus 7u square, where u equals to square root of x and x is equal to 4. At this stage, you should also find what is the value of u at x equals to 4. So we can write it here, u equals to square root of 4, which is 2. So at x equals to 4, u is 2, right? Now let's find the derivative one by one. The first function given to us is y equals to u cube minus 5 u cube minus 7u whole square. So dy du is equals to power rule 3u square minus, this is a constant, so 2 times 5 is 10 u cube minus 7u times derivative of inside function, which is 3u square, or at times you can say d du of inside function, which is u cube minus 7u, right? And then we'll go further, so u square minus 10 times u cube minus 7u, derivative is 3u square minus 7, right? Now let us find this derivative at 2. So dy du, this is another nomenclature which you could use. U equals to 2 is, substitute 2 here, so we get 2 square minus 10 times 2 cube minus 7 times 2 times 2 square, right? So 2 square minus 7, right? Now you can use the calculator, evaluate your answer, right? So we'll simplify it a bit. 2 square is 4 times 3 is 12 minus 10 times 8 minus 7 times 2 is 14, so we get 6. Okay, so minus 6 times 12 minus 7, right? Let us use calculator, evaluate this answer in one statement, right? So I'll use calculator at this stage itself. So 4 times 3 12, that's correct, and then we have 8 minus 14, which is 6 minus, and 12 minus 7. Okay, so we have 12, this is plus 10, okay, plus 60, all right, times 12 minus 7 is 5. So I hope that is correct, 312. So let me write this as 312. Well, my calculations could be wrong, so you should check your calculations. Okay, so what we did was that we found dy du. Now let us find the derivative of u with respect to x. So u is given to us as square root of x. Du dx is half of this. This you could write as x to the power of half, you know. So half of x to the power of minus half, which is 1 over 2 square root of x. Now what is du dx at x equals to 4, the point given to us? So we substitute 4 here, so we have 1 over 2 square root of 4, which is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, so we get 1 over 4, right? Now we can apply the chain rule to find the derivative of this function with respect to x. So we have dy dx at x equals to 4 equals to dy du at x equals to 4 and u equals to 2 times du dx at x equals to 4, right? So the first derivative is 312 for us. You may check those calculations, they could be wrong. I'm not good at doing calculations. This is 1 over 4, so 1/4 of 312, right? So let's use 312 divided by 4, and the answer is 78, correct? So that is how you can find the derivative of function using chain rule and Leibniz notation. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.